Hello everyone, I welcome you all for the Python programming language. Today, let us discuss Python list. Python lists are highly adaptable. They form the backbone for ordered collections. They allow elements to change after creation. This versatility makes them essential for data manipulation. List operations, building and combining, concatenation operator plus combines list. Multiplication operator, it will repeat the list. And then the membership in, check for elements present or not. And then length and indexing, find length with len, open and close parenthesis, and access elements with square brackets. List slices, extracting subsequences. Basic slicing, list start colon end selects a range. It creates new subsequences. This is non-inclusive of the end index. Omitting indexes, end goes from the start. Start goes to the end. These simplify common extractions. 4 colon step skips elements. 4 colon -1 reverses the string. This offers flexible extraction. Some list methods, modifying and querying a list, are shown below. Append, it adds element to end. Extend, add iterables elements. Inserts in item at index. Removes first occurrence. Pop removes and returns element item. Sort list in place. Count returns occurrences count. Index returns first index of item. Looping through list. Iterating elements. It is simple for loop. Iterate directly over items. Clean and readable. Enumerate. Access index and item simultaneously. Useful for ordered processing. While loop, control iteration with conditions, good for destructive operations. List comprehensions, concise list creation, powerful and efficient for transformation. Mutability and aliasing, understanding list references. Mutability can change content directly. This means this modifies the existing object, no new list is created. Aliasing, variables can point to the same list. Changes affect all aliases. Use ID to check memory addresses. Cloning lists and list parameters, managing copies vs references. Shallow copy, list colon or list parenthesis, create a new list. It shares references for nested mutable objects. Fast for simple list. Copy.deep copy creates full independence. Necessary for nested mutable structures. Prevents unintended side effects. List parameters. Functions receive list references. Modifying parameters changes original list, pass clones to protect originals. Thus, we come to the end of the session. Let us discuss another topic in the upcoming video. Thank you all.